Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to do overview of my project. One of my project, I have hosted this website into the network server. Let's type the URL. My code, sorry, spcode forum.apg.com. This is the URL of my website. I think network is little bit slow. That's why loading slowly. What is this? Too much slow, too much slow. Okay, okay, the website is ready now. This is the simple website of my code forum website. Here you can discuss the problem of a particular blog thread. This is a very similar to like a Stack Overflow. Yeah, these images are the dynamic. When you refresh, every time it gets changes. Suppose that this is the website. These are the categories of the my SP coding forum website. Suppose that I want to discuss some problem in a Python, JavaScript, PHP, Java, Django, C, C++, HTML, Bootstrap. These are the category. You can choose anyone to discuss problem. Suppose that I have choose here. You can see welcome to Python forums. Here is a little bit description. Python is interpreted high-level programming language created by Guido van Rossum. And this is the some basic rules. This is the basic introduction. Here you can start a discussion. To start a discussion, you have to be logged in. This is the basic simple validation. To discuss a problem, these are the question about this Python forum threads. Here you can see these are the questions asked by the user ab@gmail.com, sb@gmail.com. This is the user. This is the basically test cases. Okay, now I have to be login. So now I'm going to make an account for this website. Suppose that I am making spyt @gmail.com. I simply make it password. You can choose any. Check me out now to you success. You can log in now. Here you can see alert. Now I'm going to log in using this email ID. Okay, spyt sorry yt@gmail.com. Here is my password. Now you can see I am logged in this website. Suppose let's see that is let's discuss the problem. How can we discuss? Suppose that I am choosing Python, start a discussion, enter Python title. Suppose that I have a problem how to print array list. How to print list. Suppose that I have a problem title. Describe your title. I'm unable. You can just I'm unable to do this. You can describe more briefly. Let's submit this problem. Yeah, you can see the alert here. Success. Your problem has been added successfully. Please wait for the community respond. Now, where your problem you can see this is the problem by asked by you. spyt@gmail.com. Time is 5/5/2021. 5 May. and the time is 2:44 because this website is hosted on the server of USA. I think this is a not Indian server, that's why it is showing wrong time according to this. That is a not matter, but I think the date is correct. The date is 6 May today, but it is showing that is not a matter. Now suppose that I want to post a comment, you can answer no result for this question. Suppose that you can logged out or anybody can answer this question. Suppose that you can write your answer and post a comment. Your post comment will be posted to the server. If anyone respond, let's here you can see the Python, JavaScript, PHP, Java, Django. 5 major categories are displayed in the top categories. Here is the about page of my website. Here is the contact. Anybody can contact. Suppose that my name is Sachin Prajapati. My Gmail is spyt@gmail.com. Here I can see nice website. Comment, contact. You can describe your problem. This is send. Contact us send. Okay. The form has been sent to the server. Yeah, you can see this is a very good project for to use as a mini project. You can use as a mini project. This is a JavaScript forum. Yeah, that's all about this website. I will paste the link of a GitHub repository for this project into the description box. You can clone this project or you can modify this project. Basically, I want to introduce this project. This project is made in build with the PHP and JavaScript, HTML, Bootstrap, CSS. That's that's all. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.